velocity time graph. In previous lectures, we have talked about position time graph. In position time graph, we come to understand how position and time is related. Position and time is giving us the relationship for the speed, for the velocity. Okay. Now here, if we go with the velocity time graph, so it will give us the relationship between velocity and time, and it is defining the motion. If we are taking a uniform motion, means there is a change in velocity in equal change in velocity in equal interval of time. So if we are taking it a straight line, suppose we have taken this velocity as u. Now this velocity u is not changing with respect to time. Now here on the x-axis we have already taken time, and on the y-axis we have taken velocity. यहाँ पे हम देखें कि वेलोसिटी में कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. ये यूनिफॉर्म मोशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ठीक है. अब यूनिफॉर्म मोशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है तो वेलोसिटी तो कांस्टेंट हो गई एक तरह से, है ना. अब यहाँ पे यदि मैं एक पॉइंट ले लूँ, if I am taking a point over here and another point over here, say it is T1, say it is T2, and say there is a same velocity. There is no change in velocity. Now what we are getting? We are getting this. This is going to be T2 minus T1 multiplied with this U multiplied with this T2 minus T1, means it is giving us the area. This is length and this is width. So length means this, we have taken this line. So area under the line or area under this graph is giving us some. What is that? Time multiplied with velocity. Velocity multiplied with time. Now we know that velocity upon velocity into time will give the displacement. So area under the graph, area under the graph of velocity time graph, velocity time, which is giving us the displacement. ये हमको क्या दे रहा है? It is giving us the displacement. ये हमको displacement दे रहा है. ठीक है. ये यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. Now if it is like this, say motion is like this now. There is a change in velocity. Now suppose if we have got this, say here it is, we are taking it here, say it is like this. Now we are taking it as a V. Okay. Now if we go with this line, means it is started with some initial velocity. यहाँ पे एक initial velocity से start हुआ है V. There is a change in the velocity. Now if we go with the slope under this graph, what we are going to have, that we will see now. एक तो वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ से हमको पहली बात क्लियर होगी कि अंडर यूनिफॉर्म मोशन व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, मींस द वेलोसिटी इज कांस्टेंट, दैट इज गिविंग अस यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. एंड व्हेन वेलोसिटी इज कांस्टेंट, what we are getting under the graph, what we are getting velocity into time, which is giving us the displacement. So area under the graph which is giving us the displacement. अब यहाँ पे देखें एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ हमको क्या दे रहा है, इसके पहले हम देखें यहाँ पर क्या मिल रहा है. If we are talking about only this, because it is started from here, an object is moving from this velocity, initial velocity u and final velocity v, and if we are taking this time as a t, this time if I am taking it t equal to t for an example, so what I am getting here, this will be v minus u there is a change in the velocity, and from this 0 to t, it is going to be this. So what we are getting? We are getting the slope. Now what we are getting here? Slope. One thing which we have got is ग्राफ में velocity टाइम ग्राफ से हमको एक चीज क्लियर हो गई. So one thing is clear to us that what we have got an area under the graph which is giving us the displacement. इसको हमको displacement मिल रहा है. अब हम देखेंगे if we are having some initial velocity u and there is a change in the velocity with respect to time, what we are getting. Don't get me confused if I am removing this. So what we are getting? This time t2 I have taken equals to t in this case. Okay. So what we are getting? We are getting this slope. Now if we are getting this slope, so tan theta, which will give the slope of the graph, which is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base v minus u upon t, 0 to t. I have taken t directly. This is t and this is 0. So from t minus u, that is v minus u means what we have got? Change in the velocity. Change in velocity. And divided by the time taken. So we know that the slope of the graph in this case, what is giving us? Acceleration. Acceleration is what? Time rate of change of velocity. There is a change in the velocity. It is clear. Change in velocity. What we are getting? We are getting acceleration. हमको क्या मिल रहा है? Acceleration मिल रहा है या change in velocity हो रहा है with respect to time. और ये slope जो है इस ग्राफ का, इस लाइन का, हमको क्या दे रहा है? चेंज इन द वेलोसिटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. ये ग्राफ हमको क्या दे रहा है? अब एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ क्या दे रहा है उसको हम देखेंगे. हमने निकाल चुके एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ फर्स्ट केस से निकाल लिया हमने डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड इन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ग्राफ व्हिच वी हैव अज्यूम्ड. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी व्हाट वी विल गेट हियर. सो सी हियर, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस, यू विल सी दिस. इट इज जस्ट लाइक a trapezium. It is a trapezium, and we know area of trapezium is equal to what? Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium will give the 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides into the height, which you can call it as a height. Now sum of the parallel sides, this is from 0 to u means this is u, and if we talk about this whole, it is going to be v. Okay, so here we are getting 1/2 u plus v into height, that is going to be 0 to t. So area of the trapezium, again if we see here, this is the average velocity which we are getting here, average u plus v upon 2, average velocity into time taken. This is also giving again the displacement. So time taken here, this multiplied with this average velocity which is giving a displacement. This is the area under the graph. Again, area under the graph again what we are getting means from velocity time graph what we are getting first thing is displacement, we have got acceleration. If there is a change in the velocity with respect to time in this graph, we are getting the acceleration. Similarly, if we go with this, we are getting the displacement. In this graph itself, it is giving you the displacement. Okay. So this way, we can have the analysis of velocity time graph. हम velocity time graph से displacement ले रहे हैं, acceleration ले रहे हैं और displacement फिर से मिल रहा है हमको area under the graph. अब यहाँ से ये कंक्लूड किया जा सकता है कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एक्सेलरेशन और अगेन डिस्प्लेसमेंट which we can take it from the velocity time graph. दूसरा हमको ये भी पता लगा, we are coming to know that there is a uniform motion. Okay, so here we are concluding with this lecture. In this we come to understand displacement, acceleration, and again the displacement, how we are getting velocity time graph, and by which we are getting uniform motion, how it is represented. In next lecture we will go with the different graphs which will give us the different position, different types of motion. Okay, up to that we are concluding here.